Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. It's day 6 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, which means we've made it halfway through. But it also means there are 6 more days to come. But for today, ho ho ho, we got some great prizes for you. Now before I get to this, where do you normally find a Christmas tree? Right between a Christmas 2 and a Christmas 4. That one's a bit of a thinker. On the 6th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a bunch of Drone Valley swag. That's right, we're giving you all of these items right here. Matter of fact, I'm in a really good mood. We're going to give away 2 sets of these, so there'll be 2 winners today. And what do you get? You're probably wondering. You get the Drone Valley mug. This is a very coveted mug. We don't sell this. We use it here at the shop. A couple other channels got these as gifts over the last holidays, but this is a coveted item. It's a collector's item. Matter of fact, one guy told me that it changed his life. Now, I don't know if it was the mug so much of what he was drinking out of the mug, but anyway, it's a pretty cool mug. So we're sending you the mug. We're also going to send you our Drone Valley 48-piece screwdriver set. Now, if you don't know what this is, we've talked about it on the channel before. I get frustrated when I have to work on things and I can't find the right bit to take that tiny little screw out of whatever I'm taking apart. So we put together a collection of 48 bits with a magnetic holder that you can open up pretty much anything that runs on electrons. So it's perfect for drones. You can take watches apart. You can take small remotes for your car apart. Whatever you need a tiny little bit for is inside this unit, and it comes in a really nice case. So you're getting that. You're also getting our universal charging cable. Now, this just might look like a regular cable, but we designed this a couple of years back. Essentially what this does is turn a single USB-A port on your charger into 3 USB connections on the other end, and they're all USB-C. So anything you charge from USB-C, you can now charge 3 of those devices from a single cable, from a single port. But it doesn't stop there. We're also including adapters that turn the USB-C ends into either an Apple or a micro USB, so you can charge older gear with the micro USB, you can charge Apple gear if you're a fan of Apple. We also include an adapter to turn the USB-A end into a USB-C end. So it's sort of like, I don't know, it's like universal plumbing where you can create a cable to charge anything. And it's really cool because it sort of allows you to use a single charger and charge a bunch of different things. I use it with my drone. I'll charge my drone batteries, my controller, and my phone at the same time. And I just love it. So you're getting all 3 of these. And again, the contest could not be simpler. If you look below, you'll find a link. If you hit that link, it'll open up a form. The form will ask for your email, it'll ask for your YouTube username, and I need both of those so we can get a hold of you. Now, after 7 days, we're going to pull 2 winners out of all the entries, and we're going to send you an email and say, good news, you won the Drone Valley swag, send us your address. Then we put this in a box and we ship it directly to you. We don't charge you for shipping. We don't ask for anything else. There's no strings attached. I like to say every time, there's no shenanigans. We just basically want to get the gear out to you so you're happy, we're happy, and everybody's happy at that point. Now, I say this every time as well. I don't care where in the world you live. It's international, so you could live anywhere in the world. Matter of fact, you could live in a little town called Can-Do, North Dakota. Now, what a great name for a town. I just imagine that town as a bunch of people walking around, getting things done. You know, well, you got a problem over here? I can handle that, no trouble. It's can-do. It's the can-do attitude, which is my attitude. I lean into things. I love that attitude. So good on you guys for naming that town Can-Do, North Dakota. Anyway, you could live there, but you could live anywhere. We don't really care. We'll just take your address, put it in the box, and ship it to you. And again, after 7 days, we destroy all the emails. We don't hang on to any of them. We delete them all. So don't worry about us sending you spam. And that's pretty much it for today. Now, here's the thing. If you haven't entered the previous 5 contests, go back and enter those as well because every day is individual. So if you enter today, it's just for the gear that we're giving away today. And you want to make sure you enter those other contests because we got some great gear that we've already talked about in the first 5 days. But I'm here to tell you, these next 6 days are going to be unbelievable. And we're kind of building to a crescendo. So those last 2 or 3 days are going to be pretty awesome. Not that these prizes haven't been awesome up till now, but we just like to put together a good mix of things to give you some drone stuff, to give you some technology stuff, to give you things you might not buy on your own. And we just want to give back to the community, like I say every time, because we've been really blessed that the channel has done well. People are interacting. They're asking good questions. We're trying to answer all the questions we get. And we're hoping we're helping a little bit with you all understanding technology a little bit better through the clips that we post on the channel. So thanks an awful lot for all your support throughout the year. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down there and join the Drone Valley family because we have so much content coming next year. Plus, we've got all these giveaways. So every time we post a clip, you'll get a little ding on your phone and you'll know there's a new clip up. Let me enter the contest. Maybe I'll win some Drone Valley swag or something else that's coming in the next 6 days. So anyway, that's all I had for today. Thank you so much for your support and for watching. And until next time, as always, happy flying.